Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll talk to you all about the classification and types of headache. Headache or cephalalgia is a complaint of discomfort originating from tissue covering brain such as meninges, skull, periosteum, and structures of the skull base. In addition, pain also originates from blood vessels and muscles around brain, scalp, face, and neck. According to the classification of headache, we have primary and secondary. Primary is classified as migraine headache, tension headache, and cluster headache. Secondary headache is classified under the headings of traumatic, vascular, space occupying lesions, withdrawal headaches, infection, cerebral ischemia, psychiatric disorders, and occipital headache. Primary headaches are benign, chronic, and not life-threatening. It is considered primary when a disease or other medical condition does not cause the headache. And most primary headaches fall into three main types, as we have seen: tension, migraine, and cluster headaches. Tension headache is the most common primary headache and accounts for 90% of all headaches. And migraine is the second most frequently occurring primary headache. It is referred to as a neurovascular headache because it is most commonly caused by an interaction between the blood vessel and nerve abnormalities. Cluster headache is a less common type of primary headache and it is referred to as neurovascular headache. Secondary headaches are sometimes life-threatening and it could be secondary to metastasis or malignant cancer and cerebral bleeding. So early diagnosis becomes essential in this. It could be resulting from life-threatening diseases such as brain tumor, brain hemorrhage, or head injury. And patients with pre-existing primary headaches sometimes experience exacerbations, which may follow further expensive investigations to rule out life-threatening secondary headaches. In this circumstance, the known cause of headache may have worsened the pre-existing primary headache. Alternatively, it may have caused a new type of secondary headache. Secondary headaches are caused by other medical conditions such as sinus infections, neck injuries, and strokes. About 2% of headaches are secondary to abnormalities or infections in the nasal or sinus passages. And traumatic injury to head and neck also may cause headaches. Head injury, which could be caused due to subdural or epidural hematoma. Neck injury, intracranial arterial aneurysm or cerebral arterial swelling can cause severe throbbing headache. Infections can cause headache, and inflammatory conditions of the eye, ear, nose, and sinus pain could stimulate the headache. In certain cases, such as post-herpetic neuralgia, pain of trigeminal nerve or facial nerve can also cause severe headache in frontal or temporal dermatome. So broadly, we can classify the secondary headache under traumatic headache, which could be caused by skull fracture, bleeding, and upper neck injury. Vascular headache could be caused due to cranial or cervical aneurysm, space occupying lesions such as malignant tumor, metastatic brain tumor, brain abscess, brain hemorrhage, or blood clots can cause headaches. Withdrawal headache could be caused due to opioid withdrawal or alcohol withdrawal. Infections such as meningitis, encephalitis, sinusitis, post-herpetic trigeminal neuralgia, ear infection, and eye infections can cause headaches. Cerebral ischemia can cause headaches because of embolism of cerebral blood vessels, which could cause stroke and secondary headache. Arterial spasm causes transient ischemic attack. Certain psychiatric disorders like depression could be associated with headache. Anxiety is often followed by headache. And lastly, occipital headache is caused by vision problems. Cataract or retinopathy may cause occipital headache, and Diplopia or vision problems results in severe headache. Thank you.